Hey there, just real quick, I wanted to send you a very basic tutorial of how this Google Sites works. When you open up your email that I sent that invited you into the Google Sites, this is what you're going to open up and see. It's the home page of our Google Sites for our ISD. Just says welcome. Down here at the bottom, I loaded in the pre-assessment video along with a link to the pre-assessment itself. And Pam has thrown in another video and some graphics down here. Thanks, Pam. The only other thing I've done is create the page for Module 1. That's about as far as I've gotten. And then we're going to choose what kind of layout we want for this. And in order to do that, you would just come over here to where it says Layouts. And we have all these options. It's fairly similar to choosing a layout for a PowerPoint or a Google Slide. Just to make this easy and quick, I click this first one here, which allows me to embed a picture, a video, a Google Doc, whatever I want to embed there. And then over here, it allows me to add text. Pam had asked me, how do you add a video? So I would click on this box here on the left. If it wants to work, there we go. Click on the plus sign. And here are your options for what you can do. Upload images, select from your drive, YouTube calendar map. So I want to upload the module 1, although I haven't copied that to my clipboard. I think the pre-assessment's what I copied, but you would click on YouTube, either look it up by the title, or I went back to the email where I sent the links and just copied it here and pasted it in. It will pull up whatever link you put in there. You would click on it and then click select, and it embeds the video there for you. And then all viewers would do was come over here and click on the box, and this little box pops up, and for them to view it, they would click here, and it opens up another tab to the YouTube video. And then we can come over here and write whatever we want. So let me back that out. Okay, Pam asked the question, how do you add pages? So when I'm ready to add module 2, I would come down here to the plus sign where it says new page. I would title it module 2, click done. It's added it here, it's added it here. And then again, I would just toggle back to insert, choose the layout that I want, which would pop up here, add videos or graphics, whatever it is. There are some pretty cool things down here if you just want to experiment and play around with it. I promise you can't break this. Everything can be undone or removed or added, whatever it is that you want to do. This is a very user-friendly device, program to use, whatever you want to call it. And then if we wanted to get like uber fancy, you could come over here to themes. We could pick a different theme. When we are done with this and we have decided we're ready to upload to Blackboard, we would come up here and click publish and then insert the link into the discussion board. This is just meant to be very brief, very basic. I'm sure it does all kinds of other really cool stuff that I just don't know about. But if you get out there and explore and experiment and find something really cool, please share. I'm sure we'd all like to see what it does. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer it. Let me know what you think. Toodles. See you Wednesday.